Okay, so greetings my hackers, I'm glad to see you back again. And we are now, as I promised, we'll discover in the third video of Primer Hacking School how to hack legally. Without any consequences, everything law-abiding. Without handcuffs for the hacking, we are going now to discover Metasploitable machine. So, VM ready to hack. No one wants to go into the jail for his passion, and we'll discover how to prevent yourself from the any low consequences from the hacking. So we are going to start now. We are going now to download it and install. It's as simple as fast as possible. So we are going now to discover its name and how to download it. But name it first. Metasploitable is as simple as its name. So Metasploit and able. Metasploitable. So it's able to do Metasploit on them. And what's exactly Metasploit? Metasploit is the framework of different exploits, payloads, post-exploitation, and so. And Metasploit can hack even Android, iPhone, Windows Server, normal Windows, Linux, Kali Linux. Every OS can be hacked from the Metasploitable. Everything that normal guy uses. So, Metasploitable is the VM ready to do Metasploit on them. It's extremely vulnerable to different exploits, different payloads, etc. It's the playground and source of pure honey for hackers. When you are a hacker and you can see so vulnerable ports as in Metasploitable, you have big eyes opened and you are ready to hack. And now in this playground you can discover how ports are extremely vulnerable to attacks. And we'll discover it together. But first, let's download it. See you back. So, we are going now to type in the search field in the browser Metasploitable download, straight to the point. And you can see here a SourceForge is the best source of downloading Metasploitable. We are going to click this, and now we are going to click, of course, download. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in downloads. So it will be in the compressed of the zip, so we are going to now wait as it's downloaded, and we are going now to extract it. So time left is 18 minutes. We are going to see ourselves in the 18 minutes, and we are going to extract it. See you again. And I think after Primer Hacking School series, I will make some giveaway for this head. Looks pretty, right? Okay, we'll discover it later. Now let's hop on the business. Okay, we are now just downloaded Metasploitable Linux in the zip format. So we are now going to first extract it. So right click, extract all, and to the same browser, same location. So it's copying, and now we are in completed process right now. And we have our ready folder. So we are now going to copy this onto our VM folder and click this Metasploitable Linux. It's here, and this file is our file that we are searching for. So we are going now to open our VMware player, and it's moving. So we are going now to open a virtual machine that already exists, so our Metasploitable. In the path virtual machine, Metasploitable Linux, Metasploitable Linux, Metasploitable. So open it. It's the file VMDK, and when you select once after open, you can see that every single machine here has own VMDK. Metasploitable is configured from basic by some guy, but our Kali for YouTube, Kali test for YouTube has own VMDK. So after short theory, we are going now to open our Metasploitable too. Let's move to the full screen. That's where I copied it. It's not important. And move to the full screen. Right this. And it's starting up, it's booting, blah blah blah. So let's wait some. It's loading all stuff because it's ready to go machine to download and open. You can see some MSQL is running, FTP server, most important and vulnerable ports. When you go to FTP server, you can download or export a file to infected machine. When you go to the SQL, you can download whole database with user, passwords, credit cards, etc. It's so extremely dangerous. And remember, hacking for legal purposes, do not harm others. And we are going to now Metasploitable login. Is the same login and same password. So msfadmin and password msfadmin, all with lowercase, and we are now in the Metasploitable. We are now ready to hack without harming others, without legal consequences, without anything that it's not necessary in our hacking story. And the big surprise for us, Metasploitable has same IP as our machine, Kali machine, etc, etc. So we are now ready to hack. Just type ifconfig, and this is, where's my mouse? This is IP for our hacking purposes. So, question how to hack legally without harming others is the first question after before legally, how to not harm others, and how hack legally. So, we are now done with this question. Make sure you'll subscribe and share some good comments. It's really helping me. Let's make to the 15 subscribers. I think you can do this. Okay, my name's Face. May God bless you and see you soon. Take care, hackers. See you back soon.